All right, here's a couple of examples we're going to do. So here's the first thing. We got to figure out what A and B are. Just like with the difference of two squares, we want to make sure we know what our A is and what our B is. So we want to look for perfect cubes, right? So obviously x cubed is a perfect cube. What about 125? Well, if you think about it, again, you have to use your calculator or whatnot, but 5 squared is 25, and then 25 times 5 gives us 125. And so this is 5 cubed, right? So this is going to give us x, and this is going to give us 5, right? So x cubed and 5 cubed, right? So x and 5, so A is x and our B term is 5. And so again, if you remember how to write this, it's going to be what? X plus 5 times x squared minus what? It's going to be the product of the two, so 5x, right? So 5x plus 5 squared, which is 25. And that's it. Okay, now here we've got 8. Well, 8 is the same as 2 cubed. And m to the 6th power is also the same as what? M squared raised to the 3rd power, right? Property of exponents. So we've got m squared to the 3rd power, we've got 2 to the 3rd power, which means that this is a perfect cube, and it's actually 2m squared raised to the 3rd power. So A is equal to 2m squared. Now what about this one? Here we've got 27, which is 3 cubed. And then of course n cubed is n cubed, right? So that's going to be n cubed. And so this gives us what? This gives us 3n quantity cubed. And so now we got our A and B. So this is going to equal what? A minus B, which is going to be 2m squared minus 3n times what? A squared, which is going to be 4n to the 4th, plus these two multiplied, so it's going to be 6m squared n, and then plus 3n squared, which is 9n squared. So just make sure I did this right. So it's going to be x plus 5, and then x squared minus 5x plus 25, that's right. And then this one is going to be 2m squared minus 3n, and then we get 2m squared quantity squared, which gives us 4m to the 4th, plus, and then we get 3n times 2m squared, which gives us 6m squared n, that's correct, and then we end up with 9n squared. So that, it's correct. All right, that's it.